Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In this video, we'll be talking about Fox Translations, a company specializing in English and French translations. Fox Translations prides itself on providing translations of superior quality. So, how can you get hired by Fox Translations? It's simple. Click on the We're Hiring button. This will direct you to a page with all the details and procedures for applying. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.